Hi, I'm Desi NB Bakunawa, and this is for my ethics subject. So, this project is called Real Life Moral Decision and Interview and Analysis. Today, I'll share a story from my interview with an adult about a moral decision, and I'll explain it using Colbert stages of moral development. So, akong gi-interview kay si Tita DJ. She is 30 years old. And I asked her, can you share a time when you had to make a difficult moral decision? She told me about sa time sa iyang trabaho na ay office supplies nga sobra, and his coworker suggested nga kuwaon nila para magamit sa balay. Pero, tita hesitated, and she said,
Lisod kaayo kay makatintal baya pero dili man jud ni ako if makit-an ko basin ma-issue pa ko sa company.
so she decided not to take anything. When I asked unsa iyang rason, tita said,
Dili man jud maayo mga wat maski gamay ra unya basin mabad-an kog trabaho.
she also thought about what his family and co-workers will think if they found out. So, iyang decision kay based on fear of punishment and also on wanting to keep a good reputation. She also said,
Gusto ko mahimong good example sa akong anak.
based sa iyang reasoning, I think Tita DJ is between stage 1 and stage 3 sa Colbert
Stage
theory.
1, Obedience and Punishment. Kay nahadlok siya ma-punish or ma-issue sa trabaho if makit-an siya. Stage 3, Good Boy, Nice Girl. Kay gusto siya nga ma-proud iyang anak ug dili siya ma-judge sa uban.
But for me, mas nilin siya sa stage 3 kay ang iyang concern kay dili lang ang punishment but also ang expectations sa family o coworkers, and gusto siya magpakita o good example. What I learned from this experience is that real life moral decisions are not always black and white. Sometimes people think about rules, consequence, and also how their actions affect others. For me, importante kaayo nga maka-learn ta sa stages ni Colbert kay it helps us understand why people make certain choices. As a student, I realize nga sometimes I also decide based on what others will think or if I'll get in trouble. Pero mas nindot if magbuhat ta og right thing tungod kay it's really the right thing, not just because of fear or pressure.